already have one power line. Then the support cable is broken, which that's what I think it is. So the whole thing's threatening to come down. And that is one long power line coming up this side, which if that comes down and the winds are whistling down this street, that can send that a hot power line into my neighbor's garage, which is where she occupies a lot of the time. It can even reach, it's even a closer distance into my garage and carport than it is to his house. And then, what a rat's nest we all have to deal with up here. What a hazard. Eco needs to identify high wind areas and prioritize those, along with the other criteria of ancient and dilapidated and a rat's nest of wires, and do something about this health hazard.